Hi, today we're going to be discussing keyword research and building topical authority, topical maps, and how we can rank our posts in Google. So essentially keywords, they do play a crucial role in SEO. They are what people are searching for on Google. Therefore, we need to have relevant keywords in our content. So when someone goes on Google and searches for something, we show that our content is discussing that keyword, and we want to be creating helpful, powerful content that Google sees that we know what we're talking about, and they are more likely to rank us higher up the search results, therefore making our page more visible, and hopefully then we can create, get an audience, get some clicks, get people visiting our website. So keywords essentially are the main words we add throughout our content that people will be searching for. Topical authority, it's about building expertise on a subject by covering it in depth across various related topics. So topical authority, in my opinion, is one of the most important ranking factors. We want to show Google that we are an authority on our topic. So we do this by creating lots of high quality, in-depth topics or blog posts, covering a wide range of different topics under one particular pillar post. We'll get into pillar posts in a second. So firstly, let's just see if we can find a few keywords just to give us a general idea on what we could be writing about. So I'm using my low maintenance lawns as the example here that we discussed in the niche research in the previous video. Oh, and also, if you would like some prompts and a bit of a guide, feel free to check out the pinned comment below. I will have a guide written up there with a bit more information on how you can go about creating topical maps, how you can do your keyword research and things like that. So here we can see low maintenance lawns, easy lawn care, low maintenance grass. All of these things are topics we can definitely be writing about. So each of these has also got multiple options we could write underneath it. So from here, we want to know what topics we will properly be writing about. So we're going to be asking for 4 pillar posts. These pillar posts are our main primary topic. Then under the pillar post, so the pillar post will be our first blog post we write, will be our pillar post. This is the ultimate post in which all our supporting posts will come from. And all these supporting posts will link back to the pillar post, and the pillar post will link back down to all of the supporting posts. By doing this, we show Google that we, even with 15 posts, we will show Google that we are a bit of an authority on low maintenance lawn care. Ideally, we eventually want 20, 30, 40, 50 posts underneath this umbrella or this pillar post. That would really cement us as an authority in Google's eyes. So when someone searches any of these terms or anything about this in Google, we would hope that our page will rank because we have shown that we know what we're talking about and we can be trusted. We do this by creating high quality content. We can definitely use AI to write the content, but we want to go through, edit it, humanize it, make it the best we can. So when people are reading our posts, they take away, they have the best possible experience. That's something, again, we will cover in future videos, how to optimize our content to really be powerful and impactful. So pillar 2, water-saving lawn strategies, time-saving lawn care techniques, and eco-friendly lawn care. So these 4 pillars are actually fantastic. We only want to start with one at a time though. If we only did 2 posts from this, 2 posts from this, 2 posts from this, 2 posts from this, and then randomly did posts here and there, we are spreading ourselves out across all these pillars, so we're not really building authority on one particular topic. And the goal is we want to drive traffic as quick as possible. So we really want to just knuckle down and at least get 15 posts done on one particular pillar first. Once we've done that, then we can move on. So by the time you've got 15 or 20, I'd suggest 20 posts. By the time you have 20 posts about one topic, I would hope to think that we're starting to get some impressions on Google, and then we can start tracking how we're looking. And once you can see that we've started ranking for particular keywords in one pillar post, you can either move on to the second, third pillars, or you can keep diving deeper into this particular post. So what we also want to do, we want some transactional keywords. So after we've written 15 posts, it would be nice to have a post that would generate, we can use for affiliate purposes. So affiliate links. So what we need is, can you please provide 5 transactional post ideas for each pillar post? So transactional posts are going to be your money makers. That's where we will go out, we will find our affiliate programs, and we'll start promoting someone's product. So top lawn care tools for low maintenance yards. We could take that and search Google, find affiliate programs. We will get into that a lot deeper in future videos. But for now, let's just say, our money-making posts where we will be promoting someone else's product, hoping that people come to our site, go to the page, they like what we've written, and they go off clicking a link to our affiliate website where they actually make the purchase. So here you can see there are multiple options of revenue or money pages that we could make. So sum it all up, we are creating pillar posts that are our main topic we will be discussing, and from those we are creating small posts or micro posts, supporting posts that all directly link back to our pillar post. This way we create the authority in Google's eyes, and hopefully we will rank better. So hopefully that's given you guys some helpful information. Again, check the pinned comment below if you want a bit more of a guide and a helping hand with this. But otherwise, I'll leave you to it, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you.